PubClub.com. Look where I am. Look what I have. Look at the piece in front of me. Ocean Beach, California, which is San Diego. Kind of a hippie beach, San Diego. Yeah, kind of like it never left the 60s, which is really cool. We're on the rooftop of the holding company here in Ocean Beach. And look at this incredible brunch they have every weekend. How big is that? 84 ounces?
88 ounces.
88 ounces of mimosa or margarita pleasure for you. This is the menu. And the food menu. Being a true Southerner, I've got the country fried steak. That's a dish you can't get in California very often. So anyway, with Alex, oh look at these blueberries. I'm with Alex, the manager of the holding company. Alex, what do we have here?
These are actually ube pancakes, which is yeah, it's kind of like a yam family. So it's a special that one of our chefs is doing right now. It is an ube pancake in the batter with an ube buttercream on top and an ube infused syrup. So everything's got a little bit. It's a very sweet, flavorful dish. Comes for $13 for a stack of 3. And it's been a real big hit since we put it on our specials menu to where it's going to be going on our permanent menu here in a couple of weeks.
Great, that's only 3. It must be really thick.
They're very thick.
It looks like 5. Maybe there's a big
ube into the batter. It makes it.
Oh wow!
Makes it a lot
Wow,
bigger.
that's fantastic. So tell us about the weekend brunch here, Saturday and Sunday. Right?
Yeah, we do a weekend brunch every Saturday and Sunday. It opens at 10 a.m. and it goes till 3 p.m. We do live music on our rooftop early on, so they get started right around 10:30 and go until about 1 or 1:30 every Saturday and Sunday. We have the 2 floors that we have open during the brunch, and we do some champagne specials. If you come before noon, we have $5 bottles of champagne.
What?
Yeah, $5.
Okay, wait a minute. $5 bottle of champagne.
$5 bottles of champagne, correct?
Well, I'll
yeah.
drink to that.
And then yeah, we always, we have some new items coming out very soon. We've been doing the brunch for about 2 years now, and it's been a real big hit. People like to come here and get started. The weather's always so perfect early on in the day. This rooftop has a nice ocean breeze. Great place to gather.
We're already almost full up here on the rooftop. Great place to be. Out there, I was watching the surfers earlier. So you're not just a brunch place, but you have live music at 3 levels.
Absolutely, yeah. So we do live music every day. Every single day except for Mondays. We are closed on Mondays. But Tuesday through Sunday we do live music. We do some national acts. We have a full stage on our bottom floor that has a large venue area, holds over 300 people. Oh yeah. We've had oh yeah. We get some pretty good acts. We have Buck Carey coming up here in June, along with Mickey Avalon, who's one of our favorites. He's performed here a couple of times. And Guttermouth playing here on a Sunday day punk show that we're going to be doing.
Oh, it sounds like Guttermouth.
Yeah. And then we always have live DJs on the weekend on our second floor after the dinner service is over. And of course our performances on the rooftop during brunch. But one way, shape, or form, we use all 3 levels, to try to keep the music venue going.
That's awesome. Important to know, how long is the line to get in there? Is that cover charge of the band?
It all depends on the acts. A lot of times we don't charge any cover at all until 9 p.m. a day. If it's just a regular band, if we do like a ticketed event like say Buckshare or something like that, then usually the lines aren't too bad because we have a pretty good system to get everybody in the door. They get their tickets ahead of time.
What types of people get here? Or just on a regular day?
Most live music starts around 7, 8 o'clock, depending. And then later on, we'll have the DJs even after our live band start. And that usually starts between 9, 10, 11 o'clock, depending on the performances we have. We keep our calendar on at the holding company, OB.com. And that gives everybody a chance to see what our live performances are for a month at a time. Because our time changes do change based on how many different performances within a given day. Sometimes we'll have 6, 7, 8 different kinds of cocktails. Yeah.
Unbelievable. I'm telling you, folks, it's really, really nice in here. You think it's a 5-star exclusive upstairs, but you're a freaking walk-in bar.
We keep very busy. We like to always have something really cool going on. You know, we don't want to just ever serve lunch. We want to give, you know, the live music with it. We don't ever want to just serve dinner. We want to have a DJ going with it. We want to have concerts. We always want to have something that can be appealing to a guest that wants to come and join us for any given day.
Wow, that's awesome. The holding company, they're right on Newport Boulevard here.
Correct, yeah, 5046 Newport Avenue, right in the heart. This is half a block from the ocean.
Wow, easy to get here. I got here like 45 minutes using public transportation from the gas lamp, so it's really easy to get here. Beautiful. We even have a little made grave, but look at how beautiful it is right down here right now. Look at all the people on the patio. Beautiful California weather. Always have a long sleeve t-shirt with you.
Yeah, it can really trick you. Sometimes it can get, you know, pretty warm up here, and as soon as that sun hits, our busiest time is of course the sunset up here. It doesn't take more than a couple seconds before you start feeling that current coming in, a little bit of a breeze.
Oh, you mentioned sunset.
But we have the fire pits and everything.
I saw that. Fire pits. Happy hour? Do you have happy hours?
We do happy hour Monday through Friday. We open at 4 p.m. Monday through Friday for our restaurant portion, and it goes from 4 to 6 p.m. We do half off most of our beers, $4 well drinks, and these towers here are $15 off.
Woo! Well, I think that's this is the reason to come here to the holding company in Ocean Beach. You haven't been for us the first time
You know, this is a great place. If you have people in from out of town and you want to show off San Diego, this is a great place to take them, you know. Book a party at one of our fire pits, you know, we have a water party.
Great.
You know, yeah, have it, you know, for a few hours and entertain people. It's got the couches and everything to make a nice company. Always keep an eye out for some really cool bands that, you know, come and play here, and yeah, it's a great venue if you want to have a party, just a good time, or you want to show off San Diego, you know.
Does that be brunch to get a tower if you get a group?
We do brunches throughout the night.
You do?
Yeah.
There you go.
You can get a tower whenever you like. Yeah, it's one of our big sellers for sure.
Awesome.
Definitely encourages people to bring more than just one or two people.
I know, this is incredible.
We want people to have a good time, a party here.
I've seen towers before. I don't think I've ever seen 80 ounces before, so that's a new PubClub record. But thanks, Alex, very much for the holding company website, social media.
Yeah, so you can, like I said, you can check us out at theholdingcompany.ob.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. We always keep things updated with specials, live shows. We do our Reggae Tuesdays every single Tuesday, you know, which is great for the locals here in Ocean Beach. It's their style music, a lot of local bands, and a lot of national acts come out for that one. If you're looking for a late night place and you don't want to deal with the hassle of downtown, when you want to see good DJ or house music, this is also a great place to come check out on the weekends.
Well, I'm going to call it the hassle of downtown, and I love the gas lamp. It's like one of the great nightlife areas in the country. But you got to get out and explore new things.
Absolutely. You don't always want to deal with the parking or the expensive rides.
Yeah.
OB sometimes can be, for certain people, can be closer, I guess. I guess sometimes some people are closer to downtown, but this is definitely a nice little gem of San Diego here in Ocean Beach.
Well, Mark and Lynn have already wiped out, and we're behind the camera, have already wiped out their lunch and brunch, so I'm going to have in this true southerner a bit of this country fried steak. Folks, that is awesome. It's a little different flavors than a traditional southern country fried steak. I don't know what the seasonal topping or whatever you might have here in the breading.
Everything is homemade, and the breading we use, I think we can also put a little bit more. A little bit crunchier taste to it. You might notice the gravy got a good peppery taste.
Yeah, it does. But not too peppery.
Yeah, so it's, we try to make everything, you know, a little bit different. We have a lot of different style of chefs in our kitchen, you know. So if they have their passion, we like to try to bring it out. If they have a dish that they want to bring out, so this is definitely one of their favorites.
Well, Pub Club's compliments to the chicken fried steak chef. Thank you very much, Alex.
You're very welcome.
All right.
Thank you very much for coming in.
There'll be stories on PubClub.com. There'll be TikTok videos, drinking tip of the day, and a San Diego tip coming here. And Instagram, we'll do all that stuff, all at Pub Club. Thanks, Alex.
Very welcome.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
Cheers to the holding company.